Hello and good Friday. Neil here with end of week wrap up. Go to the S&Ps, I guess, here for a minute. And note that we're on a weekly chart. Okay, this is a weekly chart. And I think last week we were looking for a little additional continuation. We had, I forget, 60-40 I think was the intended overhead for 5840 target to break 200. And when we got there, bounced back to at least 5950. And it has done absolutely every bit of that and a bag of chips because, as you can see here, this thing's traded all the way back up to 6,000. Well, 60.50 I guess today actually. So so that and a bag of chips, right? Got additional follow through. Now, the next question is obviously, well, what now? What next? Well, it's going to be important next week that this. Well, first remember Monday is a holiday. But after Monday and we come in Tuesday, then it's going to be important for this thing to take out, to be bullish. That's a bullish formation right there. That's an equal and opposite. It's bullish formation on a weekly chart. The implication here would be, the anticipation would be that it would take out the high here of this week, and that would allow for, it would do this. It would end the one-time framing down on the weekly chart. So we've been lower highs down on the weekly chart. What will happen next, if it's going to be bullish, would be that it'll take out this week's high and do that with a higher low, allowing us to be able to say next week, we can say, oh, well, look, it ended the one-time framing down and very possibly now is starting a one-time frame up sequence on this weekly, which would be a series of higher lows. That's what it looks like. But of course, we don't know until it actually, follows through. I would do the same over/under next week. I would just keep it simple, and it's 59.25 SPX, and it's 21,300 Nasdaq. And the same numbers we had last time, and see if it indeed does it. That's what it looks like. That it does exactly that. That's what I got for you, and we'll see. Right? That's the plan, though. The first part of the plan was beautiful. It was down to 58.40 and then back up. I mean, it's done that first part. Now the next part is okay. What does it look like now? And well, it looks like we used the same number, 59.25 SPX. Line in the sand, breaks back into that or evaluated for bounce. It looks like I would anticipate it probably would. It doesn't have to be perfect either, by the way. If it trades 59.20 or something, I mean, but it's basically that's kind of the marker. And then you say, okay, well, you're going to take out the high, because if you take out the high, then you've ended lower highs. And then the next step is, okay, now are you going to start with a series of higher lows? Yeah. Okay, that's what I got for you. Monday's a holiday. We'll catch back up again end of next week and take it from there. Till then, good trading.
Without simpler trading, I could not have financial independence.
This is one of the best investments I ever made in my life.
It's helping me find consistency.
It's one of the things that won me